GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about the sine and cosine rules. Sine and cosine rules. The first stage using the sine and cosine rules is learning to label the triangle and the angles. Sides are labeled with lowercase letters and angles are labeled with uppercase letter. To use the sine rule you must use the following formula. A divided by sin A equals B divided by sin B equals C divided by sin C. To find a side using the sine rule you will need to have at least two angles and one side. You will need to rearrange to solve. To find a side using the sine rule you will need to have at least two sides and one angle and the formula must be inverted. Rearrange to get. To use the cosine rule to find a side use the following formula. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times cos A. To find a side substitute the unknowns into the equation. To use the cosine rule to find an angle use the following formula. A equals cos minus 1 times b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2 times b times c. 9 is A because it is opposite the angle. Substitute the numbers and solve. To find the area of a triangle you must have two sides and the angle between them. If you don't have the information you need you must use the sine or the cosine rules to find all the information you need before you start.